Just invited you.
Oh my gosh, gracious nacious. I'm ready.
You ready?
How do I change? Change
Your
color.
fucking color.
You can't be so. Oh, it's not even that bright. Yeah, I want to go like pastel pink, but it's not that. It's not that like whatever. Is this supposed to be scary?
Yes.
Oh.
You didn't know that coming into this?
Oh, well, I knew it was
Oh
okay.
no.
I knew it was kind. I knew there was fright with it, but I didn't know how much. Oh God.
Yes. Very much so. You know what?
Let's go shopping. Oh.
That's not how that works.
What do you mean? What do you mean? That's exactly how it works. We put stuff in it. What is laughing?
Close the door.
I don't want to play. I don't want to play. Oh God. I don't know how to close doors. Oh my God. Oops. Okay.
Okay. Put the cart in the thing and we're leaving. You should buy me. God. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. I'll place the mine right here.
Wait, but can't
Don't
we trigger it?
I hope not.
I think we probably can.
I just activated it.
Alright. Where are you? Where the hell are you? Oh my God.
Right. This is a bit... Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Just... No, 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 no. I don't like it.
What do you mean?
I don't like it.
There's probably
It
some
looks scary.
juicy stuff in there. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, I found something. I found some. Oops, I broke it.
This is 60... Help. Help.
What? I can't really see.
Fuck.
Shit!
Get away from me. Get away from me. Where's the cauldron?
I have no stamina. I have no stamina!
Oh, it's on me.
Oh my God, your voice! Oh my God damn it. Stop it!
We have 14k.
Yeah, let's go. Isn't that thing in the door? Like, in our path?
Yes, I think I can deactivate it though. Okay, we lost all of our money. Alright. So, for future reference, don't pick up a fucking mine.
Ooh, that looks expensive.
Really slow.
There's something very terrifying behind you. Very terrifying! I'm...
We gotta go to the second extraction point? Wherever that is.
Somewhere.
That's a thing. That's one of them spirited away, motherfuckers!
Oh my God. Wait, is it pushing through? Is it push? It's at the doorway. It's at the doorway. It's at the doorway. Oh my God! Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't want him to break our stuff. Bitch, he already broke everything. Okay. Get the bonsai from the fridge. And then...
Jesus!
Sorry. Okay.
Oh my God!
Shh! Shh! Let the monsters. Okay, let's go.
You ripped that shit off the hinges.
Let's go. Let's get the fuck. We're over. Let's get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Oh yeah.